Today, I'm ranking my top 5 favorite pizza of all time. This is based on what I actually enjoy cooking and eating the most at home and in restaurants. So coming in at number 5 is a garlic and butter pizza. Now you may say, oh, that's not pizza, that's garlic bread. But for me, it's pizza because this is one of my favorite pizza oven staples, and so I use leftover pizza dough to make this. I add crushed garlic and butter to the top of pizza dough, stretched out into an oval shape. There is no cheese or tomato, but you can also add cheese if you want to this recipe. This is one of the purest ways to enjoy the base itself, because when you strip everything back and my dough has no sugar or oil in it, so I can taste the flavors of the dough, it pops. And this is incredible and full of flavor. You get that crisp base and crust and that rich, slightly salty garlic butter soaking into the crust. It's simple and it's so flavorful, and that's why it has made it to my number 5. Next, number 4, the classic mozzarella cheese pizza, topped with fresh basil. I mean, if your pizza dough is high quality, then cheese pizza is the best. If a pizza place can't make a good cheese pizza, well, that's it. It's so simple. The flavors of the ingredients, good quality cheese, everything is exposed. The dough quality, the tomato sauce quality, and the cheese quality. And so there's nowhere to hide with this one. So when it's done properly, it's perfect. You've got the slight acidity from the tomato sauce, the creaminess of the melted cheese, that crisp, airy crust. And the reason why it's not higher on my list is because while it's great, it doesn't quite have that extra layer of flavor that pushes it into the top 3. But as a go-to, you can't go wrong. So next is my number 3. Ham and mozzarella cheese, flavored with garlic and finished with hot honey. This is all about contrast. Like, you've got the slight crispiness of the ham and the garlic taste, which is mingled in with the rich melted cheese, and then that sweet, hot honey sauce, and that combination is like, wow, melt in the mouth, because the sweetness cuts through the richness of the other flavors and that chili heat merging with the cheese. It's the kind of pizza I want to go for when I want something a bit different, lovely and flavorful. Yum. Next, number 2. We are moving toward the most perfect combinations for pizza taste that I love. There's something about this combo, and it's so easy and not over the top. We don't need a heavy load of toppings here. The flavors take the pizza, and I'm talking about salami and onion pizza. Get that slightly crispy edge on the salami and the onion flavors merging together. And then you've got the cheese melting together with that underneath. And then you've got the base flavors of the tomato sauce and the dough. And it's all kind of like the pizza I choose if I just want something to depend on if I'm eating out, that I don't think could go wrong. And so, yeah, that's my number 2. So the next one, and you're not going to guess what this one is. I mean, do you think that's my favorite? The one that starts with H and ends with N? Of course it's not. Okay, so I think you all know what my number 1's going to be. It's hardly a surprise, but it's going to be pepperoni. I mean, come on. It's like the perfect pizza. It comes down to one thing: the balance of flavors, because when you put a pepperoni and you cook that in a high heat oven, something special happens. The hot oven and the slices curl up slightly and they release that oil into the cheese and to the sauce and to the pizza base, and it all mixes together with the tomato and the cheese and the base, and it creates this like incredible flavor that you get, and you get that spiciness, that little edge of heat and salt and a bit of richness and texture, and you don't need anything else to increase the flavor. It just does everything on its own. So all in one bite, and it's visually perfect. I mean, you can't beat the pictures of a pepperoni pizza. It's quintessential perfect. Those little crispy cups of pepperoni are slightly charred, and then they're sitting on melted cheese and a bit of basil, and that's what pizza's all about. So I'll always go back to pepperoni pizza, but if I could only choose one, that would be it. Yeah. And so there is room for other pizzas in my life. I mean, pizzas that didn't make the list, like margherita, barbecue chicken, 4 cheeses, mushroom pizza, sausage pizza, seafood pizza, buffalo chicken, and that's about it. I can't think of any others that I would cook. So yeah, that's, maybe they'll make the list another time, but right now that's my list. And pizza's so lovely and versatile. You can put pretty much anything on it. Actually, chicken curry, that's another one I love on pizza. Anyway, that's my top 5. I hope you enjoyed it. I love garlic butter all the way to pepperoni, and I loved hot sauces as well. So what's your number 1? Is your list the same as mine, or is it very different? Please drop your top 5 list in the comments below. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and hype. It helps grow my channel, and subscribe as well if you would like to. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.